Ministry of Water Resources and Electric Power, National Price Bureau. Document 83, 水发电 number 215. Notification on issuing the Power Factor Adjustment Electricity Fee Method. Standard value of power factor and its applicable scope. First, power factor standard 0.9 is applicable to high-voltage industrial users above 160 kVA, including community industrial users, high-voltage power users equipped with load-adjusted voltage devices, and high-voltage power irrigation and drainage stations above 3,200 kVA. Second, power factor standard 0.85 is applicable to other industrial users above 100 kVA, including community industrial users, non-industrial users above 100 kVA, and power irrigation and drainage stations above 100 kVA. Third, power factor standard 0.8 is applicable to agricultural users and wholesale users above 100 kVA. However, for large industrial users not directly managed by the electricity sector, the power factor standard for wholesale users should be 0.85. Power factor calculation. First, users implementing power factor adjustment electricity fees should install reactive power meters with anti-reversal devices. Calculate the monthly average power factor based on the user's monthly active and reactive electricity. Second, users with reactive power compensation equipment that may reverse send reactive power to the grid should timely put into or cut off part of the reactive compensation equipment as the load and voltage change. The electricity department should also install reverse reactive power meters with anti-reversal devices at the billing measurement point. Calculate the monthly average power factor based on the absolute sum of the reverse reactive power and the practical reactive power. Third, according to the grid needs, implement peak power factors assessment for large users. Install meters to record active and reactive power during peak periods. Calculate the monthly average peak power factor based on the recorded data. For some users, trial runs can be conducted to calculate the power factor separately during peak and off-peak periods. The methods are formulated by the trial provincial, city, and autonomous region power bureaus or grid management bureaus, and implemented after approval by the Ministry of Water Resources and Electric Power. Electricity fee adjustment. When the calculated power factor is higher or lower than the specified standard. After calculating the monthly electricity bill according to the specified price, electricity bill should be adjusted according to the percentages specified in the power factor adjustment table, tables 1, 2, 3. If the user's power factor is between the two numbers listed in the power factor adjustment electricity fee table, it is rounded off. Special customers For users who can meet the specified standards without additional compensation, or users who are close to the power source with good voltage quality and do not need further improvement in power factor. The power factor standard value can be lowered, or the power factor adjustment electricity fee method may not be implemented. But when the standard set by the provincial, city, or autonomous region power bureau is higher than the reduced power factor standard, the electricity fee is not reduced. If it is lower than the reduced standard, the electricity fee should be increased. Table 1. Power factor adjusted tariff table with 0.9 as standard value. If the user's actual power factor is higher than the standard value, the adjustment rate is negative, commonly known as a reward. If the user's actual power factor is lower than the standard value, the adjustment rate is positive, commonly known as a penalty. Power factor adjustment electricity fee equals power consumption times catalog price times power factor adjustment rate. Examples: an industrial user, 10 kV power supply, load tap changing transformer capacity of 160 kV ampere, equipped with one active power meter and one bidirectional reactive power meter. It is known that the active power meter reading for a certain month is 40,000 kWh, and the reactive power meter reading is 25,000 kWh forward and 5,000 kWh reverse. Calculate the power factor adjustment electricity fee for this user for the month. Assuming the catalog electricity price for industrial use is 0.71168 yuan per kilowatt-hour, no time-based billing. Solution: the reactive power consumption for the month, WQ, equals 25,000 plus 5,000 equals 30,000 kilowatt-hour. Calculate the power factor for this user. Since the user's transformer is a load tap changing type, the power factor standard value should be 0.9. According to the table, the adjustment rate is 5%. Power factor adjustment electricity fee equals power consumption times catalog price times power factor adjustment rate equals 40,000 times 0.71168 times 5% equals 1,423.36 yuan. Answer: the power factor adjustment electricity fee for this user for the month is 1,423.36 yuan.